Just wanted to know that while facing Gerard Erasmus, he was while facing Gerard Erasmus, the Namibian captain, who was bowling with a sidearm action. Do you think that it would have been a good preparation before facing Pakistani spinner Usman Tariq? It would have been a good match prep?
No, I think we have already done the preparation part, and now it's just time to watch the ball and play our natural game. So if the ball is there, you know, as a batter, we just feel like going because it's a T20 game and we are trying to set a good total on board. But we do have to believe in our strength as well. You know, there's nothing like you have to prepare. I think at this level, we just watch few videos and we get an idea of what kind of bowling is going to happen. So we're just keeping it simple. Yeah, he bowled pretty well today. And I think there was a quite bit of learning for us, for our team as well today. Yeah.
Ishan, you said earlier that you were not swinging the bat every ball in the power play, which is true. But at the same time, India scored 85 odd, which is their third highest ever in power play. And clearly the power play scores are very integral to this kind of a tournament where you see that later on in the middle overs, there's a collapse, the power play scores offset. Do you agree that setting that tone is not just the important thing, but also kind of getting to a very commandable target is important in that?
Yeah, I mean, we all are in good touch and we are all looking to, you know, use the power play as much as we can, and we are selecting the bowlers. It's not like, especially like when first over, if you see, what was Trumpelman? He bowled pretty well, few balls, so we did not take charge on that because we knew like later on once the ball stopped swinging, maybe we can go for extra 10 runs in the over. Instead of scoring 15, we can go for 24 or something. So that was the plan, and I think game by game, situations will be different. Today it was different. Tomorrow when we play against Pakistan, it might be different. So we need to assess as soon as possible, know about the wicket mode, know about their bowling strength, who's going to bowl when, and who we can take on. If it's required for me to take single and give the strike to someone else, I'll do that as well. So it's important to, you know, be aware of the game situation. And, you know, I feel if you get a good start in power play, you should always try and, you know, maybe one batter can always go for sixes at any point of time, but I think top 3, one batter is supposed to bat for long.